Hi guys. In some assets we have imported from Fab Marketplace. For example, this scene or this house is massive size. Look at this. Okay, how to fix this problem? And add it from this. Okay, go. How to fix this huge size? From this to this. Okay, to this scale, it's reduced like this. Okay, how to do that? Let's show. Okay, first thing first, to use these assets, we have to go here, for example, go to Fab and search for house, more filter, set price for free products. This is my assets, old house. I added to my project by writing this, clicking this button. After that, you can get this right here. Fab in this path, Fab, old house, scene, static mesh. Okay, let's see. When I get this assets, it looks huge. Massive. How to fix this problem and make it smaller? Okay. First of all, we have to select this one. After selecting this asset, we have to go here to the modeling tool. Go to Xform, transform, and probably in this corner. Okay, 0.01 size, 0.01. I want to reduce it by 100 times, 0.01. Hit complete. Okay, double click. Okay, that's fine. Reduce the speed. Okay. And this is all for this tutorial, guys. Thank you. Subscribe for the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Okay, goodbye.